Hello, in this video I will talk about the changes I made to the theme description for this course. In order to see another person's perspective and to improve the ideas I've already developed regarding my theme, I shared this document with a friend of mine. I will discuss these changes my friend suggested and how we collaborated to complete this assignment. So, his comments or his suggestions that he wanted me to change after sharing it with him are going to be on the right hand side, and I will just scroll through the document I made and describe what he suggested, and then eventually I will show you the final product. So he thought that I should elaborate on the challenges that the students and like the metaphor students and animals kind of elaborate on that. You'll see it in the other document, but I thought this was a really good suggestion. However, I did not really change this because I kind of go more into it later on. So to me, it seems better to just add it later. But it was still a great thought, and I'm glad that he mentioned this idea. So next, my peer noticed a typo. And I fixed this in the final document, as you'll see later, but I forgot the P in exploring. See, that's why it's good to have another set of eyes, because when I glanced through this, my mind tricked me into thinking that I had the P in exploring. And then his other suggestion, yes, it was the last suggestion, he mentioned that it was repetitive, my sentence about teachers and students facing many obstacles in the classroom. And as you'll see in the final product, I agreed with him because I'd kind of said this sentence in different words throughout the whole writing. So that was very valuable feedback. And then I will show you the final one and the changes I'm going to make. So, as I discussed earlier, I'm going to leave this first sentence alone. And I'll just show you. I'll unhighlight it. I'll leave it alone. And then I did correct the exploring typo. So I will take it out. No highlighting. And then this sentence I am going to delete because, like I said that different words but the same idea multiple times. So I'm just gonna delete it. Oops, maybe not. There we go. Okay, so that's all I have for this video, but I learned a lot about collaboration through this video, because it's always good to have another set of eyes. This person could catch my mistakes, and it was so easy to just share it through Google Drive, Google Docs, because they have internet and I have internet. It was very easy. We both work part-time jobs, so we didn't have to meet to discuss this. It was a very handy tool. I would recommend it to anyone, especially if you're collaborating on a project. And thank you for watching. That's all I have. Have a nice day.